Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern, and this is a rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern this is a row wise pattern because in each row alphabets are constantly repeated. So we used nested for loop to create this pattern, and nested for loop is a loop in which outer for loop inside another for loop, that is called nested for loop. So firstly we declare two variables that is used for nested for loop. So we declare I and j as a variable, and I variable is used for outer for loop, and j variable is used for inner for loop, and outer for loop is used to move rows, and inner for loop is used to move columns. So firstly we create outer for loop, and we take three parameters. Firstly I initialize to capital A and capital A character, and we declare two variables as a character type instead of integer type, because we print characters or alphabets instead of numbers. So firstly we create outer for loop, and we initialize I equals to capital A character and check condition if I less than equals to capital E and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and we initialize j equals to capital A and check condition if j less than equals to I and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop we point I variable that is of outer for loop, and we used specify a percentile c because this is a character type variable. And outside this inner for loop we use backslash n for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. When you compile this program, there is no error in this program, and when you run this program, the successfully output is shown as below. I hope you understand that how to create this pattern. This is the easiest way to draw this pattern. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. And I hope you already know that how to draw pattern with the help of nested for loop. Thank you guys, have a great day. I know one